Psychologists have been undoubtedly familiar with brain diagrams since they went to medical school. However, compared to other medical practitioners' versions, a psychologist's brain diagram illustrates a brain structure but is labelled in a way that will benefit them the most. More specifically, the structure featured will show the names and locations of the different lobes of the brain. The look of brain diagram templates for psychology purposes usually don't have stark differences. However, those few differences or details may be the deciding factor for psychologists. What makes our brain diagram for psychologists different from others is that we've provided a dedicated space under the diagram for your notes on anything under the diagram. You can write observations on the patient's behavior, analysis of your patient's brain scan, or even an explanation of your patient's condition for their or their loved one's benefit. To use our free brain diagram psychology template, follow these steps. Download our brain diagram for psychology from the CarePatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Once you have a copy, you can use the resource in any way. Take down notes on results, observations, and you may do so in the provided space at the bottom of the template. Here's our example of a brain diagram template for psychology specialists that doubled as a document for the practitioner's notes on a fictional client. You may use this example as a reference or for educational purposes. To find our brain diagram, go to our CarePatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at CarePatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our CarePatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.